was mounting the camshaft, I was mounting the crank. Now I'm trying to find out which marks I can use, but on the camshaft I cannot see one mark, so I will look also on my other parts, but I guess I will have to mount it and calculate myself where the mark should be. I don't see any marks, only some scratches on them, so maybe it's the best way to check everything and to make my own marks. I've done all these calculations to find out that in this position, so in this, these gears have two positions I could see, and this is original. First I thought maybe somebody made another one, but it's originally with two, I could see, with two keyways. And I can only guess one is for flying and one is for motorcycling. I measured this one, that I suppose it's for flying, and my valve timing, this is the general, this is a low speed engine. And my engine on this key is theoretically comporting like a high-speed engine. You can see inlet valve opens at 10 degrees before, and it closes not like on a normal low-speed engine 20-25 degrees after BDC. It closes 46 degrees after BDC. Same with the intake. We have 55 degrees. So here we have a low speed engine, high speed engine. A low speed engine has 25 degrees before BDC and 23 degrees after TDC. This is a low speed engine, this is a high speed engine. So we are very close on this point to a high speed engine. I'm curious if I will move the timing gear on the other keyway to see if it helps more for low speed. Let's see how that goes.
This is sound you hear in your head. That's your nerves or your blood running, and you hear your heart. Kind of amazing to know that. Really amazing.
Good morning. So, after a whole day of calculating and measuring, first of all, which was the correct place for the timing? I have no signs on that timing. Second of all, I heard they made camshafts turning the opposite way and engines turning the opposite way, so I had to check that. That is excluded. It's turning the right way, my cam. And after that, the main crankshaft sprocket has two keyways, so I had to see which one of the keyways will fit better my application, and I find a good place for that. But still the cam is a high RPM cam. That is actually good. We are building a hot rod here with an airplane engine, so it would be good to see it revving high. Probably in the low RPMs it will not run so clean. But anyway, it's a hot rod, it should be like that. 10 hours of work again, just to find out the right place. Now I know it's the right place. Now I know I can use everything what's in this engine. Final assembly. I hope final assembly. Stay tuned.